You don't need to be great to get started, but you need to start if you want to see greatness. Upgrade your effort by being smart like the phonies. Stay true to the real you, no phonies, They say life is what you make it, so you should make it about more to give and less of the take. She put the details together all just like a puzzle. Clearly, she saw the main idea, she was not befuddled. How did you figure officer calling her on the phone? Racing away, she replied, don't got to postpone. What you know about finding the main idea? Using details in the text, you can make it all clear. Keywords in the passage help you understand. Need a time limit to bring it to life. When is it due? Put in time, put in work if you want to see it through. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back once again. If you're new to the crew, join and let the fun. The candies to gifts, celebrate, do you a peep game on this? Ships set sail and their voyage ends, but real friends return cause they locked in. Love is Wi-Fi, I hope you stay connected. Signal real strong, nobody wants to be rejected. Those who got that charisma know the password. Others need it spelled out, crossword. You can't respond from a bad choice like autosave, so you gotta do your best to make the right choice every day. Breathe in, breathe out. New you starts now. Press pause, take a minute, take care of self. Let the good vibes in, let the stress out. Breathe in, breathe out. You might need to use multiple operations. Add, subtract, divide, multiply, maybe all four. Check the text for keywords so you can be sure. Circle the numbers, underline the question. Marks the math words, define the action. Evaluate the question, what should you do next? Solve what's your answer now, check and recheck. Circle the numbers. Who stay at his peak. Bass the type of dude make enemies flee. Bass the type of dude who a father figure hammer. If crime is the question, then he is the answer. Born enslaved in Arkansas in the 30s, escape clean, getting gritty. Went to live with the natives, now leveled up like an RPG. Learned Seminole and Cherokee. Frida Kahlo with passion meets up with art and pain. Tragic accident, now her life is never the same. Bedridden, she painted to pass the time, illustrated her pain. Portraits of herself showed her black what helped her maintain. For life with dad, mom gone, but Maria overcame. On point with science, yeah, cause her aim is on. Discoveries in the field, lacking that Amazon. Setting in the biz, lacking that Amazon. She amazed, many girls get you amazed. 1882, she graduated.